I am here today with the author of Joe Knows Fish, the seafood master, Joe. So, Joe, what is this book about?
The recipes are simple, and it's all about taking the intimidation out of cooking seafood.
So what does ceviche actually mean?
Ceviche is a process in which the lime cooks the fish.
Oh.
That's all it is.
So, see, I think that's a misconception. A lot of people think that ceviche is just like raw seafood.
No,
But the citrus, the acid,
the citrus
is actually
cooks it.
cooking it.
Absolutely.
Great. So what do we have here today with us?
All right, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to take the shrimp, and I'm just going to cut them in
Bite-sized pieces.
bite-sized pieces.
Okay.
So the shrimp are done. Now we'll do the same with the scallops.
Beautiful. And what does this all go in? What do we have here?
We also have cut up tomatoes, cut up onion, and then I'm going to cut in jalapeno. This is like a pico de gallo.
We want to keep very light flavors.
Very
Now,
much
can
so.
you eat ceviche any time of the year?
Any time of the year.
Can I start putting these in?
Sure.
Dumping our tomatoes in. Onion. Beautiful.
Now we'll do the bronzino.
No?
You'll see it really takes nothing to cook. A little tip. After you clean out the jalapeno, go wash your hands.
Oh, that is a solid tip, Joe. Yes.
Because one time I was rubbing my eye and I died for a couple hours.
Put it all in the boat. Cilantro. Take some garnish.
Here's the key
Or
point.
acid.
So we're going to take some lime juice.
That's a lot of lime juice.
You need it. You have to cover it all
Okay.
because it has to cook.
So it has to be covered in lime juice.
So we'll put a little salt now,
Okay. And then we'll taste it later.
and then we'll taste it.
Okay, so how long does this take?
I'm going to say an hour.
An hour? Okay. Okay, so you mix it up, and then
Yep.
you just let it sit.
So this is a great dish to make when you have friends coming over, they're coming over at night. You can make it during the day, just let it sit.
Okay, so I've been waiting one whole hour to try this ceviche, and I'm really excited because, first of all, it looks really bright and fresh and delicious.
You could put this together in the morning and have it for lunch or even dinner.
And now we're gonna put an avocado on top.
We're going to slice the avocado to make the Caribbean feel.
So where does the inspiration for this come from?
I got this inspiration when I was in Mexico.
Okay.
This is like a pico de gallo
Yes.
that I added the seafood to it.
Oh, that's nice. It has all those flavors.
It,
The gallo.
it has all the flavors of pico de gallo. We're going to slice this.
Now, avocado is really nice because it cuts the acid of this.
Yes, it does.
You know, so it's a really nice balance. That's
So-
good. We're ready.
We're ready here. You want to taste it first?
Sure. Yeah.
Just get in there.
All right. Oh my gosh, so good. It literally tastes just like pico de gallo. So Joe, we can find all of these recipes in your cookbook, Joe Knows Fish, and also at Citarella.com.
I know if you pay attention and keep the focus, you could do every single recipe that's in that book, without a doubt.
Well, I can't wait to go home and try.